Here is a wonderful 2009 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 250,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a boldly beautiful Tundra that delivers serious strength and upscale comfort. Engineered to maximize towing and handling stability, this handsome truck also spoils you with a smooth ride and premium cabin loaded with amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, heated front seat, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Relax and enjoy the adventure in this can-do Tundra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.